Welcome to the Explainer. Have you ever wished you had a personal assistant right on your computer, one that could just take care of all the tedious stuff for you? Well, today we're going to dive into a pretty groundbreaking way to build your very own AI assistant, one that can see your screen, actually take action, and, most importantly, keep all of your data completely private.
I mean, really think about that for a second. Imagine an AI agent that can operate the graphical user interfaces, the GUIs, on your computer just like a person would. It could click buttons, fill out forms, navigate through complicated apps, basically automating all those complex tasks for you.
And yeah, there's a name for these. GUI agents. They're not just about crunching text in the background. They're about perceiving the visual world of our screens and actually interacting with it. Honestly, this is a total game changer for practical, everyday automation, and we're about to show you exactly how it works.
All right, let's get right into it. Here's our game plan. First, we'll take a look at the old way of doing things, the standard cloud approach. Then, we're going to unveil a super powerful new method. We'll peek under the hood to see how it all ticks, and finally, we'll talk about why this is such a massive deal for your privacy, your wallet, and your control.
So, how is this kind of automation usually handled? Well, spoiler alert, it almost always involves sending your data up to the cloud. The process itself looks simple enough on the surface. Your computer takes a screenshot of an application, it sends that image across the internet to some third-party cloud API, and then that service spits back an instruction, like, hey, click on these coordinates. But here's the catch, and it's a big one. You're constantly sending your screen data, whatever's on it, to a third party. This is a privacy nightmare, it's a potential GDPR violation waiting to happen, and it can get really, really expensive with that pay-per-call billing. Plus, you're now completely locked into their service. But what if there was a better way? A smarter, more private way to do all this? Well, that's what we're calling the architect's hack. This whole solution really just uses two key open source tools. For the eyes, we're using a cutting-edge vision model, something like Qwen-2.5-VL. And for the hands, we use a tool called Playwright, which can actually control your browser to perform clicks and type for you. It's brilliant. And as you can see right here, this is where the magic happens. It's all local. That screenshot gets processed right on your own machine, and the instructions are executed right there too. Your data never, ever leaves your control. I mean, this comparison really makes the benefits crystal clear, doesn't it? With the self-hosted hack, you get total data privacy, which is GDPR compliant. You get predictable costs, and you get full control over the entire automation stack. Okay, so how does this actually work? How does a picture of a screen turn into the click of a button? Let's dive into the secret sauce. The secret is in the AI's ability to not just see what's on the screen, but to pinpoint the exact location of any object. It's like giving the AI a pair of super-powered glasses that can tell you the precise coordinates of anything you ask it to find. It's called grounding, and it's incredibly powerful. So here is the absolute crucial point. You can give the model an image and a simple task, like find the submit button, and it returns this beautiful structured JSON data that contains the exact coordinates of that button inside a bounding box. This is the critical link between seeing and doing. So this creates a simple but an incredibly powerful four-step loop. You capture the screen, you let the AI find what you're looking for, you get the coordinates back, and then you tell your automation tool like Playwright to take action. Rinse and repeat, it's that simple. So what's the bottom line here? Why is the self-hosted approach such a big deal? Let's just quickly break down the key benefits. The benefits are just massive. You get complete control over your data, which is absolutely critical for so many businesses. You can actually predict your costs, and you're not locked into some single proprietary provider. This is a huge leap forward for anyone who's serious about automation. This chart really says it all, doesn't it? The cloud API approach, that first bar, comes with huge privacy risks and totally unpredictable costs. The self-hosted approach, the second bar, it dramatically reduces both of those. It makes it the clear winner for anyone who values privacy and a predictable budget. So, where does this all leave us? Well, with powerful open-source tools like Qwen-2.5-VL now available, the ability to build your own private AI assistants is no longer some far-off dream. For anyone building the future of software, the question really isn't can you anymore, but will you? Is it time to finally bring your AI in-house?